Hi everyone, welcome my YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine. For this whole dive crafts, making your own lamp can be a wonderful project. You can recycle bottles, jars, or even wood to design something beautiful and sustainable and your own shades, patterns, or the shape of mind. And suddenly you have created a lamp that reflects your personality. Lamps also carry a deeper meaning. They present wisdom, knowledge, and positivity. In every cultures around the world, lighting a lamp is a symbol of good energy and a hope, and a lighting isn't about a brightness about mood. The right lamp can change how a room feels. A young light brings space and romance. Cold white light brings clarity and focus. Color changing lamps can even add fun and creativity to your evenings. And if you're into the home decor, choosing the right lamp is an art in itself. You can match the designs with your furniture's brilliant colors with your walls and even create a statement corner in your home. One lamp can completely transform your room. For those who love the crafts, making your own lamp can be a wonderful project. You can recycle bottles, jars, or even wood to design something beautiful and sustainable, and your own shade pattern or touch of pants, and suddenly you are created a lamp that reflects your personality. Lamps can also carry a deeper meaning. They represent wisdom, knowledge, and positivity. In every culture around the world, lighting a lamp is a symbol of good energy and hope. A light that drives away darkness and fills our hearts with warmth. And if you're into home decor, choosing the right lamp is an art in itself. You can match the design with your furniture, blinds, color with your walls, even create a statement coin in your home. One lamp can completely transform your home. For those who love the crafts, making your own lamp can be a wonderful project. You can recycle bottles, jars, or even photo design something beautiful and sustainable that your own shades, pattern, or touch or patterns. You are created a lamp of that reflects for your personality. For those who love dry crafts, making your own lamp can be a wonderful project. Thank you for watching, friends. If you liked, you can recycle bottles, jars, or even wooden to design something beautiful, since it's valuable, and your own shades, patterns, or to touch of paint. And then you'll have created a lamp that reflects your personality. Lamps also carry deeper meaning that represents wisdom, knowledge, and positivity. In every cultures around the world, lighting a lamp is a symbol of good energy and hope. A light but you drives the away darkness and fill out care hearts the warmth. And if you also carry a deeper meaning, there are present wisdom, knowledge, and positivity in every culture around the world. Lighting in a lamp, symbols of good energy and hope are trained